Hello and welcome to Kingdom Specialist Cars. We're pleased to present for sale this 2002 Maserati Spyder. It's the 4200, so that is the Ferrari engined 4.2 producing 385 brake horsepower. This car has a comprehensive service history file from both Meridian Modena, Ferrari Maserati in Hampshire, plus also some Ferrari Maserati specialists as well. Being very well cared for. As I say, it's covered just 42,000 miles from new and presents superbly. Nero black with Bordeaux leather. You have electric memory heated seats, adjustable steering column, climate control, air conditioning, obviously sat nav, albeit it's 2002, so I'll probably use my iPhone. But nevertheless, it is a beautiful car. The wheels have been recently refurbished. If you'd like more details, do contact us. The details are on our website, which is www.kingdomspecialistcars.com. Thank you.